Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a follow-up video to my unboxing video from yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up above on the screen that you can go see right now. I had placed an order for my #1 bag in my wish list, which is a Pochette Metis online, and after I got it in the mail yesterday, I did an unboxing that was very disappointing. Long story short, I went into the boutique in person today to exchange it. And they actually had quite a few of them in store, but I looked at all of the ones they had available, and I picked one out of the 6 or 7 that I saw, and it's actually in a different print from what I was originally planning. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share the bag that I got. It comes in this beautiful bag. This is a new bag. I carried in the online order in a older bag that I got from when I purchased a different bag before. So they did give me a new bag here, a beautiful orange bag. And inside, looks like they got their packaging materials all replenished. It came in like the proper size box and everything. This is a different box from what I got from the online store as well. And today I had a really good experience with the essay at the Atlanta boutique at the Lenox Mall, and that's the location that I went in. Okay, I think this is the same receipt. This is the same receipt that I had from my online order, and they just added additional receipts in here. And because I worked with a really good essay, she also gave me 5 perfume samples, which I'm really grateful for. She was really professional and nice. So I have the Rose de Vanille, which I have tried before. That's one here. Le Jour Se Leve. So I'm probably butchering all the pronunciation, but yeah, this is the one I think that I liked in the store a lot. It has a very floral scent. Nouveau Monde. One of these is for like more masculine scent, but I don't know which one that is. So there's 2 of these, and then one called Mille Feu. So that's that one there. So I know some boutiques are really picky about how many perfume samples that they give out, but I got 5 today. And the essay who helped me, she texted me almost immediately after I left the boutique, and she said to keep in touch. If you have anything that you want to come in and look, I can make an appointment for you. She was incredible. So I'm very glad that I got to meet her in person today. I will be asking her for some of the wishlist items that I have, and I am now leaning towards I don't want to buy anything big like a bag from the online boutique anymore. So I'll be working with her moving forward to cross off some of my wishlist items. So anyway, sorry for the long intro. Let's get to the unboxing, which is what you're all here for. So it's different ribbon than what I'm used to. They usually do a cross and then do a ribbon on top, but I don't mind that. At least they took the time to put the ribbon on. So sliding off the ribbon, comes in a magnetic box. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so they did package the bag. On top of the, okay, so it's not an actual package, it's just the tissue paper with a Louis Vuitton sticker in the middle. And then comes with the dust bag. It has the tag in the back of what it is here. So to reveal, out of the dust bag, you can probably see. It's the Pochette Metis in reverse. So if you have watched my wishlist video, that you would know that the one that I originally wanted was the monogram. And that's the one that I ordered from the online website as well, but they had 2 more in store. I've looked at, no wait, they had 3 more in store in the monogram, and none of them were to my satisfaction. They all had weird stitchings around the corners. One had like completely chipped handle over here. It's just like none of them look great. One, I really liked all the stitching and everything about the bag, but like the hardware had so much wear already in the middle. So I said no to all the monogram pieces. So, and then she asked if I wanted to see the reverse one, and I said, well, while I'm here, I would like to check it out because I haven't seen the reverse one in person. And as soon as I got to see the reverse, I am wearing a very casual outfit, which is what I wear pretty much every day. I decided that I really like the reverse. So I've also inspected like 3 or 4 of the different ones. She probably thought, man, she's extra, but this is the bag that I got to pick. You can see there's some unevenness around the corners, but I think that's expected. But like the front looks really good. The back also looks really good to me. Nothing wrong with the bag whatsoever from what I can tell. The front, like I said, looks really good. The flap also seems to line up pretty well with the monogram, brown monogram canvas here. Nothing wrong with the handle or anything like that. And this one actually came with a protective sticker that protects the middle of the hardware. So there's really no scratching on the hardware yet from what I can see. Once you open the flap, that's the the reverse monogram canvas here. You can see it's a little bit uneven here, but I don't mind that too much. And then interior, it's the black lining. And this piece is made in the US. I think all the Pochette Metis that I got to see today, they were all actually made in the US pieces. I think what they're doing now is that they're exclusively making the Pochette Metis within the US because it's a very popular item. So just keep that in mind. I think that's why you're seeing a lot of quality issues, especially if you ordered online. So if you're looking to buy Pochette Metis within the United States, I would say go in and take a look in store, because I think now they have a lot more in stock because it's becoming more readily available because it's made in the country. So anyway, this is my new bag. I'm very, very excited. I had a great experience in the boutique, which usually doesn't happen. It was very busy today. I went in almost right after they opened around noon, and today's Sunday. They open at 12 o'clock. And when I went in, the boutique was really busy, but they really seem to have their stuff together. I was serviced really well. Like I said, I will be working with a client advisor that I met today, so I'm very, very excited about it. So yeah, I will do more detailed review of this bag as I use it more, but at the moment, I'm very excited to try the reverse monogram Pochette Metis. It's not the bag that I thought I was gonna get because I wanted the regular brown monogram to begin with, but when I tried this on, this looked really good with my casual outfit. So I'm very excited about this bag. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the Pochette Metis in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.